Hello everyone, I'm Abhinash, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to make India map using Python and Turtle. So yesterday was the Independence Day and I celebrated Independence Day in some different way. Like I have created this graphical user interface using Turtle and Python, and I created the India map and share it across all my social media and all the things. So that's how I celebrated the Independence Day. So like if you also want to make something using Turtle, and if you specifically if you want to make uh, India map using Turtle and Python, you can watch this video. So here I used Turtle and imported Turtle, and in this I have used all the functionality of Turtle. So I will not explain the code here. All these things are normal, and you can search all the things. If you want explanation, you can comment it down, I will explain. But this is simple only. You can search in like ChatGPT or Google. It will give the complete explanation, detailed explanation for everything. So so here I have used like all the functionality of Turtle and of Python functions. Here I have used, and here I have used the positions and XY coordinates to make it in proper way. So let's see the output. Let's go to the output. I will paste the code in my description. If you want the code, you can check it in my description and you can get it from there. So let's run the code and see the output, how it is looking like. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and I will answer your queries. So it is already running. So let's run it from start. So this is how it will start, and it will draw the India map, and it is looking, and it is filling the colors. Yeah, so this is how it is looking, and I think it is looking beautiful and good. So because we love India, it is like some emotions we it came like when we create something like this. So okay, I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, you can share it and you can subscribe the channel for more stuff.